Today we're going to talk about inserting, deleting, and hiding cells. So we're going to add data to this sheet. So we need to insert some cells and move some of the data around. Now we're going to highlight where we want to actually put the data. So we're going to highlight the range on row 25. Now there are a few different ways you can insert cells. You can go up to the cells group and there's a insert button with a drop down list, but that's kind of a far reach. So we're going to talk about a couple other methods. I can also right click and choose insert, which will open this insert cells dialog, or I can also use a keyboard shortcut. Now, the keyboard shortcut for insert cells is Control and the plus sign. Now, you may have to do a Control Shift if you're using a laptop and don't have a separate number keypad. Once you get that dialog open, you have the choice to shift cells right or shift cells down. Now, we don't want to do right because this would push this person's name out here into the J column. We actually want to shift cells down because we're adding somebody else. So I'm going to go to shift cells down and click OK. And it inserted cells to push row 25 down, which now becomes 26. Now we're going to insert a row. Now I want to move row 26 down, so I can simply point my mouse at row 26, right click, and then choose insert. Now we're going to insert a column. Now to insert a column, I'm going to move my mouse and point right at the letter. Now this will push all my columns to the right. So I'm going to right click and choose insert. Now for multiple columns or multiple rows, you can just select the amount of rows you want to insert and it will insert that many rows. I can select I, J, K, and L and right click and choose insert. Moving on to deleting, which is very similar to inserting, I'm going to select column I and just right click and choose delete. Now there are keyboard shortcuts for deletion. So I'm going to select my 3 columns here and I'm going to hold down Control and hit the minus sign. We're going to remove some of the cells on row 26. So I'm going to select my range and I'm going to do the shortcut. Now, because I am deleting just cells, you have to make a choice whether to shift it left or shift it up. I want to shift it up. And it should move everything up. And the final thing we're going to look at is hiding. Now, hiding can be useful if you just want to move data out of the way and you don't want it shown on the sheet. It's still there, but it just doesn't show. Now, I'm going to hide all the Hawaii zone members. So I'm going to select 19 through 25 and simply just right click and then choose hide. There's an indicator here that shows you that there are hidden rows. To unhide it, we can double click it, or we can select the 2 around it and right click and unhide. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.